Is this a restaurant? It's not.
In
Where
this
are the
video,
restaurants here in
I'm about to
Pampanga?
reveal one of Pampanga's best kept culinary secrets. We are talking about the most delicious goat meat you'll ever taste. So
Trust me, this
tender
is good.
and flavorful, it will blow your mind away. Locals have been raving about this place, but it is still unknown to many. Get ready
Now I know
because
why
this hidden
this
gem
place is
is
famous
about to
for their
become
Caldereta
your
kambing.
new favorite spot.
Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Xuhmbuddy. Before we dive into this video, I want to wish you all an amazing new year. We are still here exploring some local hidden gems and flavors of Pampanga. Today I got something special for you, a place so hidden that even though you're from around here, just like me, you might not even have heard of it. Welcome to Taldawa, Kambingan and Grill. This restaurant is known for its goat meat in caldereta style. They also serve duck in adobo style or adobong bibe, right? Not baby, right? Not baby. It's bibe, B-I-B-E, bibe. Wow, that's a pretty huge tree. It's ginormous. The easiest way to find this restaurant is actually by finding this huge tree. This is actually the landmark here in Taldawa. So before, the restaurant is located right inside the premise, the compound, but right now they've moved a little bit to the side. So yeah, they are now located just right side of the old location. But still, it is stuck inside some road here in Angeles. So I'll leave the address in the description and in the title right here, right down there. And then let's check it out. Wow, so the restaurant is actually just right in front of their house, I think. Yeah, you can see right there at the back. And then the restaurant is actually beside the house. Right there, a small shaded place area at the back. That's actually the kitchen of the restaurant. Wow. So this is their outdoor restaurant. And then so this is the outdoor kitchen. And wow, you can actually smell the fragrance of what they're cooking right here, and then you can smell the charcoal, the smell of the charcoal. And then here we got the owner of the Taldawa kitchen. Hello, good morning, ma'am. So how long is this restaurant been opened? Kano katagal na po nakabukas?
Matagal na, 10 years.
10 years.
Yes.
Since
Anong 1990?
1990 plus.
Oo.
Wow, so more than 10 years na, more than 20 years I think, since 1990 plus. Ma'am, ano po pala meaning ng Taldawa, ma'am?
Bukid.
Bukid?
Yes.
In
Sa
Kapampangan?
Kapampangan, Marangle.
Marangle.
Sa Kapampangan, Marangle. Sa Bukid. Sa Tagalog, Bukid.
So, sino po nakapag-isip ng pangalan ng
Mr. ko, niya lang, wala na siya.
Wala na siya.
Nung buhay pa siya,
Opo.
naisip niya, puro ang pagkain na exotic.
Opo, exotic.
Para sa, yun nga, kambingan
Para
lahat.
kakaiba sa ibang...
Kakaiba, okay.
Opo.
Ng baboy, walang
Opo.
Puro kambingan lang.
Wala kayong baboy dito?
Wala.
Baka, wala din.
Wala rin.
Kambing saka itik.
Kambing,
Or bibe.
itik, bibe. Ganun. Lahat ng luto ng pagkain, papaitan, sinigang, kilawin.
Check out the calderetang kambing. The best seller here. Oh. Wow. So that's the caldereta. So this is a pretty small kitchen, but it is very organized. We got 3 stoves right here and then 1 charcoal stove right there. So wow, you can see the smoke from the kitchen, and then you can see the rooftop. The ceiling is already black from the smoke. Bakit po lutong kahoy ang pinipili naman?
Para ang lasa, kakaiba.
Kakaiba. Yung may lasa ng uling.
Usok.
Usok.
Here she is chopping up some of the goat skin for the kilawin. And here they're preparing a new batch of the goat sinigang or sinigang na kambing. Wow, looks so hearty.
Oh wow, here we are again at Taldawa, Kambingan and Grill. So Kambingan is goat and grill. They also serve some grill. Not sure what grill is it here. I think the grill here is the goat skin. And then before we start, we also got a mug of some soup. So yeah, they put the soup inside this mug. What soup is this? I think this is sinigang soup. Let's try the soup before we start the meal. Oh, pretty hearty. Wow. Wow, this is one very rich sinigang soup. I don't think, I'm not sure if this is the goat sinigang soup, but yeah. Oh, a little bit oily. Wow, I like this one. Alright, let's start the meal. So let's get some rice. Let us start with their calderetang kambing. This one, caldereta. So this is a Filipino stew, but this one's particular. This is goat meat. So let's put it in the rice. Wow. Oily, tomatoey. Wow. Looks very nice. So let's try this one. The famous Taldawa calderetang kambing, the goat stew. So let's give it a shot. Wow. 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 Am I eating goat right now? Because there's actually no gaminess in this kambing, in this goat meat. Oh. Wow, and then the savoriness, the richness from the tomato stew. Wow. Now I know why this place is famous for their calderetang kambing. Wow. Absolutely amazing. Also, the kambing, the goat meat, is also pretty soft. It is not too soft that there's no more texture in it. It's the perfect softness, a little bit chewy, a little bit soft. It doesn't, it's just wow. And the only thing I can say here is wow. One of the best goat meat that I've ever tried here in Philippines. Next dish, let's try the sinigang na kambing. So I've never tried sinigang in kambing. Usually sinigang is cooked in pork and sometimes seafood like shrimp or salmon. But first time, sinigang with goat meat. So let's give it a try. Let's try the soup first. Whoa. You can see the soup is a little bit thick. From that, you can say that it's a pretty rich broth of sinigang. Oh, and let's try the goat meat. Let's hydrate with some soup. Wow. I don't know if I can say this, but it tastes like pork. Yeah, this is goat meat, but it tastes like pork. What? So that's goat meat. Wow. Again, soft, tender, and then not that soft that it lost its texture. Wow. Let's try this one, the skin of the goat. Let's see if this will be a little bit different from the other ones. I think this is not sure what's the name of this dish. I think it's kilawin na kambing. So this is goat meat, the goat skin that is chopped up, and then I think in sisig style. So this is chopped up goat meat. So this is a chopped up goat skin. I think with some, I think that's liver, goat liver. Then got some onions. So let's try this one. Wow. There's also some ginger inside. Refreshing, chewy and soft goat skin. And then again, no gaminess in it. I think that they have perfected their goat here. That's why you can't taste actual gaminess from the goat. Wow, I like this one too. It's a little bit sour from the calamansi juice. You got some freshness from the onion. Then you got some ginger. You can taste some bites of ginger inside. It's like a goat skin salad. Wow. Actually, let's try this one. This was the papaitan soup. So these are some chopped up goat intestine, and then the small intestine, the large intestine. I think there's also some liver. So this is called papaitan. Papaitan is actually called bitter. I think it's bitter in direct translation of Filipino, papaitan. I think because they use some of the actual stuffs inside the stomach of the goat, or I can say the undigested feed of the goat. So let's give this one a try. Whoa. This one actually have some gaminess in it, but yeah, of course, the intestine of the goat, of course you can taste the gaminess. Again, everything is very soft from the sheep stomach. From the sheep stomach right here to we got some sheep stomach, some goat skin. So we got some goat stomach here, some goat skin, some goat meat, and then I think this is the liver. Wow. They really perfected their goat here. Well, the gaminess isn't that strong that you can't handle it. It's just right gaminess. Wow. I've tried this one before, the papaitan, and I don't like it. But well, this one, wow, the savory, umami. It may look like I'm drinking some coffee, but trust me, this is sinigang soup. Wow. Oh, so yeah, I think the sinigang here, soup here, is the same with the sinigang soup from the goat. So yeah, pretty interesting. It's one of really one of the best goat meat that I've ever tried here. Absolutely no gaminess, except from the papaitan, of course. This is cooked in sheep intestine. So yeah, you should expect some gaminess from the papaitan. But from the other stuff here, yeah, totally good, totally fine. There's no gaminess. Wow. Let's have another bite of this papaitan. One last bite in Taldawa restaurant. Look at our table. Finished everything. That means that this restaurant is really good. And I can say, the best place that sells goat meat in Filipino style. Best kambing that I've ever tried. Hindi siya lasang kambing, wala talaga. Yung sinigang parang parang baboy na nakain ko eh. So the owner insisted to pay for our meal. Really huge thanks to the owner of this restaurant, of Taldawa restaurant. Really one of the best Kambingan, best goat meat here in Pampanga. Thank you po, ma'am. Thank you po. So the kitchen is heating up right now as it's approaching lunchtime. And then yeah, you can see the smokes coming out from the small kitchen. So wow, what an amazing meal. Let's head outside. So that's our meal in Taldawa, Kambingan restaurant, just right here outside. And then yeah, great owner, really kind owner, and great hospitality of the staffs inside. Yeah, I can say I'll definitely put in this in one of the best Kapampangan places or restaurant here in Pampanga. And then if you haven't watched our other videos, click them right here. And then I'll see you in the next video. Hardest decision. Masaya na sa ulam.